For festive meals, the Chinese broccoli stir-fry noodles are perfect to go with a meat dish. They are simple and quick to prepare. You can make them in advance, then reheat them in a microwave when needed. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Cut 500 grams of broccoli into chunks. We can eat the stem. Just peel it and cut it into slices. Grate a piece of ginger. Take 1 teaspoon. Chop 4 garlic cloves. Cut 10 grams of cilantro into sections. To prepare the sauce, put in a bowl 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, some ground pepper. Combine all together. Unpack 400 grams of fresh noodles. You can also use dehydrated noodles. The cooking method will be the same. Put them in boiling water heated over high heat. Briefly stir. As soon as they come up to the surface, take them out and let them drain. In a pan heated over high heat, put 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When it's hot, put the garlic and the ginger. Stir from time to time. When they start to brown, add the broccoli. Add 10 centiliters of broth or water. Stir from time to time for 1 minute. Add the noodles and the sauce. Stir for 3 minutes. Finally, add the cilantro. Briefly stir and cut the fire. If you like spicy, you can add chili oil. Bon appétit! Everyone will enjoy these Chinese broccoli stir-fry noodles. It's healthy and delicious. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.